Lisa Beals from Butternut No Plot Little Lunches, and this is how you make baby food out of pre-peeled and chopped up butternut squash. And the best thing about that is that hard work is done for you. Go to the store and you can buy it just like this. So easy. I'm going to take some of this butternut squash and place it right in my pot. Now the good thing about this is that you can freeze this once it's made, so you can go ahead and make a big pot, freeze it in little portions, and your baby has food for a week. So I'm going to make this much because I have a small pot. And to this, I'm going to add enough chicken stock to cover the butternut squash. And then we bring it to a boil on the stove and let it cook. So the squash is ready. It's nice and soft and ready to be ground up. I'm going to use my hand emulsifier, which is very easy to use, and I'm going to grind it right in the pot. Save dishes. And this is going to be a very smooth puree for little babies. It's getting frothy, and that's okay. That's just because the vegetables getting frothed up. And there you go. That's very easy butternut squash. You can push this through a fine strainer if you need to, or you can serve it as is, or even make soup for the family. So that's how you make easy baby food from pre-cut, pre-sliced, pre-peeled butternut squash. Thank you. I'm Lisa Beals from Butternut No Plot Little Lunches.